guys! Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Showroom Steals. This series is all about showing you the latest tips and trends and how you can get the look at a price that won't give you sticker shock. Today we're going to talk about a trend that we're seeing pop up everywhere, and I really mean everywhere. What started as a TikTok video from Lex Nicoleta has turned into a cultural phenomenon. We're of course talking about coastal grandmother style. So what exactly is coastal grandmother style? Lex Nicoleta coined the term on her now viral TikTok video and is a self-proclaimed coastal grandmother, so let's hear from the expert herself.
I'm Lex, and like Kate just mentioned, I did coin the term coastal grandmother that's trending all over the internet right now. So what is coastal grandmother? If you love Nancy Meyers movies, cooking, gorgeous interiors, gardening, hosting, and more, there's a good chance you're a coastal grandmother. And when it comes to a coastal grandmother's home, their interiors are not only stunning, but so cozy and inviting, a place that you immediately feel at home. And no, you don't have to live at the coast or be a grandmother to be a coastal grandmother. It's for anyone and everyone. If you're looking to channel these vibes in your life, I suggest rustic textiles, coastal blues, and lots of hydrangeas. But beyond the aesthetics, coastal grandmother is about the way that you live your life. It's about romanticizing your everyday and creating a beautiful world for yourself.
Now that you know what coastal grandmother style is, let's talk about how you can get the look in your own home without cashing out your entire savings. Today we're talking about bringing that coastal grandmother feel specifically to your bathroom, as well as some of the style basics for this trend so you can achieve the look no matter which room you plan on tackling first. First up, let's talk about the color scheme. The palette for this style is ultra calming and gives elegant beach house vibes. Look for soft blues, light grays, and creamy neutrals. When it comes to fabrics and materials, coastal grandmother is all about plush cottons, breezy linens, and driftwood and rattan accents. I recommend using cottons and linens for pillows and curtains. Driftwood works really well for furniture pieces like accent tables or open shelving, and rattan is perfect for light fixtures. Coastal grandmother style is clean and crisp, but also super comfortable and welcoming, so you'll want to be careful about over-styling. Coastal grandmothers definitely have organized homes, so choose every piece intentionally and make sure there's a place for everything and everything is in its place. Now that you've got some of the style basics down, let's bring it to life. So why are we starting in the bathroom? It might sound like an odd choice to start with, but a bathroom refresh is one of the most impactful and cost-effective projects you can do. Plus, it's a more secluded area of your home, so you can test out the style first before you commit to a larger, more trafficked area in your house, like a kitchen or living room. The first thing we're gonna do in the bathroom is paint the vanity. Painting a bathroom vanity is gonna change the look of your space in no time. Like I mentioned when we covered the style basics, the colors you'll see most in a coastal grandmother palette are mainly shades of blue, gray, white, and neutrals like light taupe. They're all very calming, relaxed colors that will make you feel like you're at the beach, or more specifically, Nancy Meyers beach house, which, what could be better than that? So for today, we're going with Glacier Mist. It's a gray paint with a blue hue, and it's such a tranquil color and made this bathroom space feel much less claustrophobic. If you need some tips on how to paint your vanity, we'll add a link in the description for a full DIY. Here are a few things for you to remember. First, you'll want to remove all of your cabinet doors and hardware from the vanity. Don't forget to wash the surfaces of your vanity down and then sand them. You do not want to skip this step. Use painter's tape to mask off the vanity top and the surrounding walls and floors. Even if you think you have the steadiest hand in the world, you do not want to end up with paint drips on your floor and countertop. That will turn your quick refresh project into a big time hassle. You always want to prime your cabinets, even if you don't think you need it. When it comes to coverage, you'll want to do 3 coats total to make sure everything looks smooth and even, and let it dry overnight before you add your new or existing hardware to your doors and reassemble the vanity. I'm usually a gold finish girl all the way, but the shade of blue we used on this bathroom vanity and the existing concrete floors really lent themselves to a cooler color palette. So in a shocking twist, we went all silver in this room for things like the wastebasket, soap dispenser, and towel ring. This polished chrome faucet from Kingston Brass adds the perfect classic touch without looking outdated. Not to mention this Victorian-style spout can run you upwards of $700 from other brands. For cabinet pulls, we use these clear glass handles from Amarok. They're a little more modern, which helps balance out the classic look of the sink faucet. And no coastal grandmother room is complete without some natural elements. We picked this scalloped mirror from Kate & Laurel and a rustic wood finish to pull in a driftwood look. For lighting, we swapped the outdated 3-light fixture for these satin nickel wall sconces. It lends a slightly nautical feel and still provides enough light without taking up a ton of space above the mirror. We also updated the shower curtain to a crisp white cotton shower curtain from Allen & Roth. And to complete the room, we couldn't forget accent pieces. We added these faux hydrangeas from Allen & Roth for a pop of color. And these Origin 21 rattan baskets add a functional but stylish storage solution. And there you have it. So what do you guys think? Is coastal grandmother style sticking around for a while, or is it gonna be washed out to sea? Forgive my terrible pun and let us know what you think in the comments. And of course, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see which trend we're covering next. Thanks for tuning in.